Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry pea sprouts with vegetarian fish. Hope you like it. Fresh and tender vegetarian fish plus crispy pea sprouts. The vegetarian fish has a smooth and tender taste, paired with the freshness and crispness of the pea sprouts. Stir-fry quickly over high heat to lock in the wok aroma. It is full of freshness and low in calories. Pea shoots pack chlorophyll, a vitamin C. Plant-based fish offers protein, zero cholesterol, glowing skin, and heart health. Vegan fish is a plant-based alternative made from soy mushrooms or konjac that mimics the texture and flavor of real fish, offering a tender bite with eco-friendly protein. Ingredients: vegetarian imitation fish, pea sprouts, ginger, chili. Pea sprouts wash and set aside. You can buy ready-made vegetarian fish in supermarkets or vegetarian food stores. The brand I bought tastes good and my family and I like it very much. I am just sharing this. This is not an advertisement. When you first buy the vegetarian fish, it will take some time for it to become less hard. You can cut the vegetarian fish into sections according to the amount you want to eat each time so that it is convenient to eat whenever you want. Tubes vegetarian fish. Chopped ginger. Ginger's warmth counters pea shoots coolness per TCM, boosting circulation, while wok hei keeps shoots crisp, a digestion-friendly duo. TCM, traditional Chinese medicine. Cut chili into small pieces. Stir-fry vegetarian fish. Diced vegan fish fried until crispy outside yet tender inside, releasing umami notes reminiscent of dried fish floss. Vegetarian fish cubes fried until crispy like this can be sprinkled on fried rice, salad, or a noodle soup. It replaces meat and increases protein, while adding a rich seafood flavor to it, so you can feel satisfied even if you eat vegetarian food. Add condiments once vegan fish has turned golden brown. Add pea sprouts. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon mushroom powder, 1 teaspoon vegan fish sauce. After the bean sprouts are put into the pot, stir fry over high heat for 10 to 15 seconds. The leaves are soft and the stems are still crisp. Sprinkle salt and stir evenly. Remove from the pot immediately. The color is emerald green without yellowing. If it exceeds 30 seconds, a lot of water will be released and the taste will become soft and lose its characteristics. It is recommended to stir-fry in batches to avoid accumulation and uneven heating. The cell wall of bean sprouts is thin, and short-term high temperature can destroy the activity of oxidase, prevent nutrient loss, and lock in sweetness. plate vegan fish bean sprouts. The freshness of vegetarian fish and the freshness of bean sprouts are perfectly combined. The spicy and slightly spicy seasoning stimulates appetite. You can eat 2 bowls of rice with the sauce and not feel sick. The vegetarian fish is soft and tender without bones, and the bean sprouts are crispy and easy to chew. Everyone from the elderly to children can enjoy it with peace of mind. Vegetarians and meat eaters are full of praise. The vegetarian fish is ready to use after thawing, and the bean sprouts do not need complicated processing. Stir-frying in a pot over high heat saves time and effort, which is comparable to the speed of takeout. Plant protein vegetarian fish plus vitamin C, chlorophyll bean sprouts plus antioxidant ingredients of ginger, low fat, high fiber, and heart protection. This dish can be made to your own taste by adding chili peppers if you like it spicy, or adding vegetarian oyster sauce if you like it fresh. You can also stir-fry it with any leftovers from the fridge. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Bean sprouts are rich in chlorophyll and vitamin K, which can help middle-aged and elderly people prevent osteoporosis. Lutein can also slow down vision degeneration, making them especially suitable for menopausal women and the elderly. Only about 30 calories per 100 grams. Dietary fiber promotes intestinal peristalsis, improves common constipation problems in women, and has a strong sense of fullness without affecting blood sugar. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism, such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism, may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Yeah.
Thanks for being here with me. I always appreciated your supper.
Thanks for watching and see you in next video.